This lab uses alkyl esters found in recycled vegetable oil to be used as diesel fuel.
This biodiesel is prepared through the method of trans-esterification.
Trans-esterification is the most common procedure to make biodiesel by exchanging the organic group R'' of the oil with the organic group R' of the alcohol. Make sure you wear the correct safety wear when working in the lab.
This includes wearing your safety goggles.
Never forget to wear long pants and closed-toe shoes.
Make sure you have all the correct glassware, including 2 40-milliliter beakers, a 125-milliliter flask, a 200-milliliter flask, and a 250-milliliter separation flask.
You will also need the following materials for the lab: methanol, sodium hydroxide, fresh vegetable oil, used vegetable oil, a hot plate, and a beaker of about 400 milliliters of water.
The first step is to prepare 0.5 grams of sodium hydroxide in each of the beakers.
Using a graduated cylinder and our protected hood, we pour about 20 milliliters of methanol into our sodium hydroxide pellets.
Make sure that you mix the sodium hydroxide pellets with the methanol using a stir bar.
And then you want to pour 50 milliliters of the fresh oil in the smaller flask, and then filter the used oil, 100 milliliters of it, into the bigger flask.
Make sure to heat the 2 volumetric flasks with the oils up to about 55 degrees Celsius.
Now that the oil is warm, we'll add the methanol hydroxyl mix and then move it off of the heat. And then we'll continue inducing stirring. Here we're taking the methanol and sodium hydroxide and mixing it with the warmed vegetable oil. This is where the esterification of the fats begin.
This is the used oil. Let it stir for 10 minutes.
After letting the two substances mix together, we're now going to take the biodiesel and pour it into the separation flask to separate the biodiesel. Our oil will be washed with warm water that will help remove all the impurities.
Once the substance has separated, you have to dump the residue into a separate beaker.
Here we're draining off the wastewater from the residual biofuel. The wastewater is full of all the organic components that we don't need in our fuel.
After it's drained, this will be our final result.